Alrighty, so welcome back. I'm the Dashing Trader, and I'm on a mission to help new gig economy workers earn more money using apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, and Grubhub. We're gonna get into this dinner shift today. So today we starting off and on DoorDash, and go ahead, hit dash now. Go ahead, check off everything. Got my hot bag, got my charged phone. Yes, I have enough gas, and let's get it going. So we're gonna see what we get to start off this good old dinner shift. It's actually pretty great weather out today. It's like 81 degrees out, and it's been like in the 70s. So it's getting up there. It's starting to get hot. I ain't gonna be able to wear black no more because it's gonna really start to affect everything. So we're gonna see what we get first today. And Tony did not disappoint. We got $2.50 for 2.3 miles. Now you know where that's going, straight in the trash can. You know I don't play, we're not doing that. You can go ahead and decline that real quick because yeah, we not taking none of those. But it's typical, you know, it's not even where I usually dash yet, so we're gonna head on over to the zone and see what we get. And as I speak, Grubhub coming through. Okay, so we starting off with a banger today. Okay, look at Grubhub. We got $28.78 for 2.8 miles. What? All day long. I mean, shoot, what can I say? That's a fire order. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and accept that. Let's see what we got on here. We got 10 items. Woo! Okay. Somebody going in tonight. So we got a Fiesta lime chicken, little bacon cheeseburger, a salad. What's that? A salad wrap, fajita roll up, some macaroni and cheese. Okay, some desserts. Okay, somebody doing it big on Monday night. Let's get it. All right, so looks like we starting off with a banger, y'all. I'm gonna check back once we get this one picked up and dropped off. Second DoorDash order of the night, Hy-Vee grocery pickup. Looks like this one is just a grocery pickup, $3.25 for 3.7 miles. Not even 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. No, it's not happening. Straight in the trash can all day long. Like we don't take that. Alrighty, we out. We out. No problem. I didn't want you to have to bend down and get it. Wow, that was an awesome, great order. 28 bucks for 2 miles. That's awesome. And while I was delivering that one, I got an absolute slew of unreasonable DoorDash orders. And I'm not gonna sit here and go through every single last one of them, but y'all get the general gist. I mean, no tip, no trip. We was getting what, 250, 350 for 11 miles. Then we was getting 450 for 1 mile, 1.5 miles. You know, the list goes on. 250 for however many miles, and I just decline those all day long. But that's the good thing about multi-app, because you don't have to take all that trash. I made way more than that in one order on Grubhub. 28 bucks, took me 15 minutes to do it. And while I sifted through all that garbage, I got a nice decent order. $15.75 for 11.1 miles. That's a Hy-Vee grocery pickup order. So it's probably at least $7.25 on each order. Probably $7.50 and $7.25. Nope, my math is wrong on that one. So
man, stop playing with me. What?
Probably $7.50 on one and $8.25 on the other, for a total of $15.75. And with both of those being over $6.50, possibility for hidden tips. Perfect order. So it's 46 items combined. It's probably 20 items on each order. Even if it's a couple cases of water, so what? I'm heading in that direction already, so I'm dashing along the way. I'm maximizing. That's the key. If you maximize while you work, then you'll always win. So I already got a good order because I was able to cherry pick it and not accept the trash on DoorDash. So while I was waiting for that order and completing it, I was able to accept a great order on on DoorDash after sifting through the trash. So now I have one order already completed. I'm on my way to my second order, and it actually is a double order, and it's taking me to my zone. That's what I call maximization right there. So we're gonna head on over here to Hy-Vee. We're gonna get them picked up, and we're gonna check back once we get them dropped off. See, these grocery pickups ain't all bad. Come over here to Hy-Vee, all you gotta do is pull up, park, and they'll load up your vehicle for you. So it's a good and a bad about it. Sometimes the distances be crazy, but you know, that's a nice thing about it right there. You pop your door open and they'll load it up for you. Where would you like me to sit him, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. $7.75. Oh yeah, that was a bad one. Man, the second part of that grocery delivery was absolutely horrible, but you know what, I feel good for doing it because it was for a senior citizen at a senior citizen living community. So you know, they really needed those items. She had some tissues, some water, some napkins. You know, she was really old, she couldn't go get that stuff herself. So I feel good about bringing her groceries, even though it was a freaking hassle. I had to fill out COVID paperwork in the dang lobby. I had to go up the elevator with all this heavy stuff. I was not liking it, but it feels good when you bring it in there to a little old lady sitting in a chair, and you know, she couldn't get all this stuff, let alone bring it up them steps by herself. So makes you feel good a little bit. So we're gonna head on to the next one. I got my next order right here at Hy-Vee. DoorDash coming through, so I'm gonna do a shop and deliver this time, not just a grocery pickup. It's gonna be $13.50 for 9.1 miles, but it's always a but. So I'm a couple miles away from the store, so it's a little bit better than 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. It's probably at least 2 or 3 miles to the grocery store. So it's only 5 items on the order, so it's a pretty good order. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one knocked out, and we will check back. Thank you. Alrighty, got that last one dropped off. $13.50 what was shown, and $13.50 is what we got. That was a cool little order though. It was a nice little drive. Like I said, it was a couple miles down the highway, but it wasn't really 9 miles though. It was more like 5 miles, because a couple of those miles was just me traveling to the store. So, and I was already heading in that direction. That's the important part. So no biggie. So now we are headed back to the zone to see what our next order will be, and we will check it back once we get it. Alrighty, so just made it to the plaza, and DoorDash done blessed me again with another Hy-Vee grocery order. I don't mind doing shopping delivers because the pay is good on them. It's set in stone. We got $12.25 for 2.4 miles, 11 items on this one. This is a perfect little order. We finna go ahead, slide on over there, get this one done. And that's gonna put me at close to 50 just for DoorDash in these little 2 hours. So I'm cool with that right there. And the Grubhub order, that's just icing on the cake. So we're gonna go ahead and check in on this one. And I'm already here. I'm like 2 minutes away. So I'm here, but I'm technically in the next parking lot over, but I'm here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they got on. They say 11 items. Let's see what it is. They got some bacon, some Alfredo sauce, some ground beef, simple stuff. Like, these are the orders I love. Simple, easy to find items. So we're gonna go ahead and check in with this one and get her done. Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
No problem. You have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Alrighty, looking good. Got that last shopping delivered, dropped off. And it was a real easy one. I mean, I went in there, it was 11 items, but it was all simple stuff. Got it all, and it only ended up having to refund one, but that's okay because the total never changes on DoorDash. So we are golden on that one. So I am headed to my next order. We have a Target order on, what was it, Instacart? Yeah, I think it was on Instacart. Yeah, we got a Target order on Instacart. So that order was coming in at $9. So we got an order on Instacart. It is a Target shop and deliver. It is $9 for 1.8 miles. We're gonna go ahead and get that one knocked out. Wasn't getting any good offers from DoorDash or Uber or Grubhub in the meantime, so I'm gonna just go ahead and knock this one out real quick, keep the wheels rolling, and it's good miles to money ratio. It's 3 items, $9, 1.8 miles. I mean, that's like awesome miles to money ratio. So we're gonna go ahead and swoop this one up and get it knocked out. Check back when we're done. Alrighty, just got that Target order dropped off, and DoorDash decided to bless me with a good old $10 for 1.9 miles. And this one ain't even a shop and deliver, it's just a regular food pickup and deliver. So I mean, I'm surprised on that one because, you know, DoorDash don't usually send you orders like that, $10 for less than 2 miles. Let's get it done though. We're finna check in, and we're gonna get it picked up and dropped off, and we're gonna check back. So far, this has been the best Monday dinner shift that I've had in a very, very, very long time. I'm pleasantly surprised with how great the orders have been this evening. So, you know, if this is any sign of the future, I hope it keeps going like this as far as Mondays are concerned, because this is looking awesome. No problem. You too. Got a DoorDash for you.
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. I was so confused. I had one delivery here, but I thought it was like a double, but they were both here.
Oh, you're good.
Have a good one. Alrighty, so I am like 2 minutes away from the plaza, heading back there now, and DoorDash just hit me with my next order. $6.50 for 3.7 miles at Chick-fil-A. And since I'm still like 2 minutes away, that's like a mile and a half. It's really like $6.50 for 2 miles. So that's a nice little order. Possibility for some hidden tips. And the drop off is right within the zone, like, you know, 2 miles away from the plaza. So it's a perfect little order. I'm gonna get it scooped up. Maybe a couple minutes because Chick-fil-A is notoriously slow with their DoorDash orders, but that's okay because I need something to keep the wheels rolling. And I'd rather accept this while I'm heading back that way versus getting over there and having to wait for 5 or 10 minutes for my next order. And potentially another 5 or 10 for them to complete it. So it made more sense for me to just go ahead and accept that one. So we are gonna check back in once we get this one done, so we can see if there's any hidden tips on there.
Have a good rest of your day, sir.
You too, thank you. 650 what was shown, 7 what we got. On to the next one. Alrighty, got that last one dropped off. And I got my next order right here on DoorDash. $6.50 for 3.6 miles right here at Sakura Sushi. So nice little sushi spot. I love picking up food from here because it's always expensive as hell. It actually really isn't even 3 miles to the drop-off. It's more distance to the actual restaurant than it is from the restaurant to the drop-off location. So, you know, great news there. So we're gonna go ahead and check in with this one and see if there's anything hidden on there. Thank you. Alrighty, got my last order of the evening. We got a stack, $13.50 for 2 orders. Buffalo Wild Wings and Outback Steakhouse, 9.4 miles for $13.50. Not perfect miles to money ratio, but it's decent though. And this the main important part, it's taking me back home. Always make sure you dash along the way. Dash towards your destination and dash on the way back home. That way you maximizing and getting paid for every mile.
Kyle?
Yep.
Right here.
Kyle W.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day.
You too.
No, leave him alone. Hey, Sparky, listen, dude.
Sparky doing his own thing, ain't he? Oh man. Alrighty, so we are done for the evening. That was a nice little dinner shift. I'm not even gonna lie. I think that was the best Monday I've had in a very, very long time. You know, nice little shift. I mean, honestly, this is giving me some motivation to get back out there on Monday evenings and get that money. So, you know, if you found value in this content, if you like what we got going on here, don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget, check out this video too.